Let's learn about multiplication and division. And multiplication and division, you just have two rules that you must follow all the time. And no matter the crazy formula that you get, it will always work out. Rule number 1, same signs, positive answer. Rule number 2, different signs, negative answer. And that's all of it. That's all. So here we have examples. 2 times 2 equals 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Same signs, positive answer. Here now we have different signs. So that's why these answers here are negative. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are all gears or cogs in the machine of algebra. You use these tools to accomplish your main goal in algebra. So let's talk about algebra. What is algebra really? Algebra is a description of scenarios using symbols that makes equations concise and allows a lot of variables. So you can get crazy stuff with algebra. As you've seen with these earlier equations here, algebra could let you make crazy stuff that would have been harder to correlate or to show using words alone. So let's say one book costs $10. That means 10 books would cost $100. But in algebraic terms, you could say that 10 books cost 10x dollars, where x in this situation represents the number of books, right? So building expressions is the first skill to develop when you're doing algebra. If I say 5 times another number, that just means 5x. If I say 3 times the product of 2 other numbers divided by a third number, that'll just be 3 times x by y divided by z. Now the symbol you use doesn't matter. Once you use different symbols to represent different things, you'll be good to go. So in the future, many questions will ask you to simplify expressions with multiple algebraic symbols, or ask you to figure out the specific value of a symbol. Solve for x or solve for y, stuff like that. Using knowledge of the correct addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication tactics, along with changing the subject of the formula, however, makes algebra way easier than you think it is. And you'll be calm just like this young lady when you do your questions.